Welcome viewers. In this video we are going to learn about how can we find some of the missing numbers, or you can say some of the missing elements that are present in a list. So to do that experiment, first we will create one list. So to create a list I will use random module. Okay, now I will create some data. So it will be data, then I will use random dot sample, then I will use range. So I want from 0 to let's say 50, and how many numbers we need inside that list. Let's say I need around 15 numbers. Okay, then I will define that function def find missing number. Okay, and I will pass the argument, let's say arg list. Okay, now for the time being I will come out of this function and I will go in the last line and I will call this function over here, let's say print and find missing number, and I will pass the data list over here. Okay, now I will create this function. So to do that, first I will take out the minimum number inside that list. So min digit equal to minimum of arg list, then I will have the max digit equal to max of arg list. So now I have got the minimum point and the maximum point of that list. Now I will iterate each element that are present inside a list and I will try to figure it out if some elements are missing or not. So for doing that I will use for I in range, it will start from the minimum digit and it will end at the max digit, and max digit will be excluded. So I would, to include that, I will have +1. So once I get that, then I will have if I in the arg list. Okay, then I have to do something. So to keep track of the missing elements, so I need a list. Okay, so temp list equal to blank, nothing. If that I is not inside the arg list, then temp list dot append I. Okay, once this is done, we will come out of this for loop, then I will return the temp list. Okay, now let's run this code and you can see these are the elements that are not present inside that list. Now if you want to print the original list, that one also you can do. You can write here print data list. So this is missing numbers. I will write something like this: if f string missing digits. Okay, one curly bracket here and one more curly bracket over here, and it will be somewhere like this. Missing numbers. Yeah, why it is not showing? Yeah, so these are the original list and these are the missing numbers that are not present inside a list.